Welcome back friends. Previously we learned divisibility of numbers. So let's revise the topic. What is which number are divisible by 2? क्या number 2 થી divide થાય? The number which have even digit at the end. જેનો last digit even હોય બધા number 2 થી divide થશે. Which number divisible by 3? If sum of digits is divisible by 3. જો digit નું addition 3 થી divide થાય તો એ નંબર પણ 3 થી divide થાય. Divisibility by 4. If last two digit is divisible by 4, then number is divisible by 4. 5. If last digit is 0 or 5, then number is divisible by 5. Divisibility by 6. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is also divisible by 6. जो number 2 અને 3 થી divide થાય તો 6 થી પણ divide થાય. Then divisibility by 8. If last three digit is divisible by 8, then whole number is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. If sum of digits is divisible by 9, then number is also divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. If last digit is 0, then number is divisible by 10. Divisibility by 11. For that you need to find sum of the digits at the even place and sum of the digits at the odd place and separate both the numbers. You will get, if you will get 0 or 11, then it is divisible by 11. Clear? Now using that we solve one example of exercise 3.3. Now continue with exercise 3.3. Question number 2. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4 and 8. For that, to check the divisibility by 4, number 4 થી divide થાય છે કે નહીં એના માટે શું કરવાનું? લાસ્ટ 2 ડિજિટ. અને નંબર 8 થી divide થાય છે કે નહીં એના માટે શું કરવાનું? લાસ્ટ 3 ડિજિટ. ચેક કરવાના કે 4 થી થાય છે કે 8. If it is divisible by 4, then number is divisible by 4 અને last 3 digit 8 થી divide થાય તો આખો નંબર 8 થી divide થશે. So let's start. First 572. Now 72. For divisibility of 4. 4 ની divisibility માટે શું ચેક કરવાનું? લાસ્ટ 2 digit. આ નંબર 72 4 થી divide થાય. ના આવડે તો ડિવિઝન કરી જોવાનું. 72 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Yes, it is divisible by 4. So divisible by 4. 572. Last 3 digit. Already 3 digit no check. The 3 digit 8 to divide by. Let's check. 72 divided by 8. 12 is not divisible by 8. That's why whole number is also not divisible by 8. So not divisible by 8. Clear? 4 માટે શું કર્યું? લાસ્ટ 2 ડિજિટ નું ડિવિઝન કર્યું અને 8 માટે લાસ્ટ 3 ડિજિટ. સેમ second example 7,26,352. Now check for 52. 52 is divisible by 4. Check કરો આવે છે? Yes, it is divisible by 4. ने डिवाइड करो એટલે 4 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય. Divisibility by 8. Check last 3 digit. Let's check. Yes, it is also divisible by 4. So it is divisible by 8. Clear? Last 2 digit 4 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય તો આખો નંબર 4 થી ડિવાઇડ થશે. Last 3 digit 8 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય છે એટલે આખો નંબર 8 થી ડિવાઇડ થશે. Now 5,500. Check last 2 digit. 0 4 થી divide થાય? Yes, થાય. So yes, divisible by. Okay, 0 0 હોય તો 0 divide 4. 4 0 is 0. So it is divisible by 4. Now last 3 digit 500. Check for 500. If you divide 500 with 8, it is not divisible. So not divisible by 8. Last 3 digit 8 to divide thase nahi. That's why it is not divisible by 8. Now 6,000. Check for last 2 digit to check the divisibility of 4. 2 digit 0 હોય તો 4 થી divide થાય? Yes, so it is divisible by 4. So yes, it is also divisible by. Here we are checking the divisibility of whole number. આપણે નંબર આખો ડિવાઇડ થાય છે એ ચેક કરવાનું છે. બટ કેમ આપણે લાસ્ટ 2 ડિજિટ અને લાસ્ટ 3 ડિજિટ બીકોઝ divisibility ટેસ્ટ યુઝ કરવાનું. જો લાસ્ટ 2 ડિજિટ થાય 4 થી થાય તો આખો નંબર 4 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય. લાસ્ટ 3 ડિજિટ 8 થી થાય તો આખો નંબર 8 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય. That's why we are using a divisibility test to check if the number is divisible by given number. Yes or no? Clear? Okay, example 5 to 10 of question number 2 will be in your homework. That in that you need to check it is divisible by 4 and divisible by 8. Okay, now question number 3, using divisibility test determine which of the following number are divisible by 6. Remember the divisibility test for 6. કયો number 6 થી divide થાય? If the number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. જો 2 અને 3 બંનેથી ડિવાઇડ થાય તો એ 6 થી પણ ડિવાઇડ થાય. ઓકે, હવે આ નંબરમાં શું ચેક કરવાનું? 2 અને 3 ની. કેમ? કેમ કે 6 ની ડાયરેક્ટ ચેક ના થાય. We have to check it is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So divisible by 2. Which number are divisible by 2? If the last digit is even. And which number are divisible by 3? If sum of digits is divisible by 3, then number is divisible by 3. બંનેમાં yes હોય તો જ 6 માં yes આવે. Clear? So let's check for divisibility by 2. Last digit is even, so divisible by 2. Now sum of the digit 2 plus 9 11 plus 7 18 plus 1 19 plus 4 23 plus 4 27. 27 is divisible by 3. Yes, it is divisible by 2 થી પણ ડિવાઇડ થાય છે 3 થી પણ ડિવાઇડ થાય છે. So yes, it is divisible by 6. Clear? Now for next one, 1 2 5 8. Last digit is 8, so divisible by 2. Now sum of the digit 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 8 16. 16 is divisible by 3? No. So you can write not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3, so it is also not divisible by 6. Okay, 2 થી પણ થાય અને 3 થી પણ થાય તો જ 6 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય. Now third question, what we are checking? We are checking the number is divisible by 6 or not. So this number, last digit is what? 5, and 5 is not divisible by 2, so not divisible by 2. Now 2 થી ડિવાઇડ નથી થતો એટલે તમે 3 થી ચેક કરો કે ના કરો ચાલો. ઓકે, obviously we get it is not divisible by 2 means it is not divisible by 6 also, but you can check it for this one. Divisibility of 3 15, so divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 2 but divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 6. Clear? For next one, check the divisibility of 2, not divisible by 2. So directly लखा it is also not divisible by 6. Clear? Now in question number 3, remaining example 5 to 10 will be in your homework. Here what you have to do, check the divisibility of 2 and 3. If both are yes, then only it is divisible by 6. Clear? Now question number 4, using divisibility test determine which of the ઓકે તમારે ટેબલ ના બનાવવું હોય અને બધા એક્ઝામ્પલ માટે અલગ અલગ લખવું હોય તો પણ ચાલે. So first of all I find the addition of odd number. So these are the odd digits 4 plus 5, that is 9. Now even 4 plus 5, that is also 9. Difference 9 minus 9 0. If difference is 0 or divisible by 11, then it is divisible. Yes. So our number 11 to divide. Yes. Clear? Now for next one, digits on odd places. So 4, 8 and 1. 4 plus 8 plus 1. 30. 2 plus 0. Number at the even places remaining are 2 plus 0. So it is 2. Now subtraction 30 minus 2, that is 11. 11 to divide થાય. So yes, whole number will be divisible by 11. એટલે આ નંબરને તમે 11 થી ડિવાઇડ કરો તો રિમાઇન્ડર શું આવશે? 0. Next one, third is this number. So check the digits at the odd places. So it is 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7. So it is 24. Remaining even digit 6 plus 8 and 1, that is 15. Now 24 minus 15. So it is 9. 9 is not divisible by 11. So number is not divisible by 11. For next one, 8, 3, 6, 0. 3, 6, 0. 70. Remaining digits are 0, 9, 1, 7. It is 70. So 17 minus 17 is 0. So yes, it is divisible by 11. जो आंसर में 0 के 11 आवे तो नंबर divisible થાય, ના આવે તો not divisible by 11.